Bro, it don't even be like.
Oh shit, you good, bro? Oh shit, bless you, bro. Bless you.
My fault, bro. My fault.
It's alright.
Yeah. So what I was saying, like,
My nigga, what the fuck, my nigga? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck?
It's just a sneeze, bro. Like, I can't sneeze.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck, my nigga. That shit's fucking annoying.
Bro, how am I supposed to control that, bro? I'm just sneezing, bro. I can't control that. If I try to suck it in, I'm gonna die.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck, my nigga. Hold that shit in. Hold that shit in.
Nigga.
Nigga, what the fuck did I just tell you, my nigga? Shut the fuck up. You're fucking annoying.
Nigga, I can't control my sneeze.
I don't give a fuck, my nigga. Shut the fuck up. You fucking sneeze too much. I don't give a fuck if it was 1 time, 2 time, nigga. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. You fucking sneeze too much, my nigga. I smell that shit. Shut your bitch ass up.
I can't control my sneeze, my nigga.
Then nigga, you better tuck that shit in like there ain't no tomorrow. Okay.